What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. In my hoodie again. I just love it. It's so cozy, warm, and it's original. Just kidding, but I'm original. Anyways, I'm coming to you with another eyelash video. I just wanted to kind of go into this JLO collection with Inglot. If y'all don't know, she has a whole collection, JLO and Inglot collab, and I'm here for it because I'm a fan of JLO, like all aspects of her. She's a hard worker, she is bomb body, she is a dancer, which I can relate to, and she don't let anybody just knock her down. Like, she wanted to do acting, she did acting. She wanted to do singing, she did singing. You know what I mean? She was all about everything, and she didn't let nobody stop her. So I'm here for it. I love my brand Inglot, as you guys know. It's a product that I've been using for years. It is a pro product, but you can purchase it just like you can purchase MAC, which started out to be a pro product, or pro brand, I should say. So the one item that I want to share with you guys that I think everybody should pick up, especially if you are not a big eyelash wearer. Is that a word? If you don't wear eyelashes on a regular basis, you definitely should pick these up, because I think that you will find them very easy to apply, very comfortable to wear, and your girl JLO did not mess up with these. These lashes are so bomb. So if you've ever looked in the store and you've seen some lashes that say, they're called accent lashes, basically what it is it's the from the center to the outer corner of your eyelash, of your eyelid, is where you will be placing these eyelashes, and basically it just makes them look fuller, it makes them look longer, and it still looks natural. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be applying these today for you, and I'll show you what they look like. I must say they are pretty comfortable and they look gorgeous. So JLO and Inglot, y'all did it with the lashes. I'm here for it. And you get two pair for, I think they're like $24. You can't beat that. There's some really bomb lashes that are like over $25 just for one pair. So you get two pairs here, I'm here. All right, let's get into the video. Okay, so as you can see, this band right here is very thin. I don't know if you watched my last eyelash video. If you haven't, go check it out. I'll like pop it up wherever, whatever side it is here. And the bands were a lot thicker. So that's why what I was saying in my video is that some bands are a lot thinner. It just really just depends on preference, and you have to be really careful, because I was picking the brand new set out, and I don't know if you could see it, and I pulled one off. So, okay, I'm gonna put this on because it is about dry, and I don't want it to not stick. So you'll be able to see what I'm talking about, how this is very natural looking. And you can put this like as close to your eyelashes as possible, because it's super thin. So it does have that little bit of gap right here, and so what I do with that is I just take my mascara, make sure I was filming, because you know I've been talking sometimes. So you can like blend them, right? And if you need to trim it, if like trim the length if they feel like they're too long. But I just love them. They feel so light. I don't feel like I have any eyelashes on, and it just kind of just emphasizes, like brings your eye out this way, and they're just so pretty and just wispy, you know? And these are called the, I want to say, was there two different kinds? I'll look and link it down below it. There is two different styles that she did. But this is just the, yeah, Jennifer Lopez Inglot. I don't think there was a specific name for these, because I'm pretty sure these were the only ones. Yeah. So, let me pop the other one on and I'll be right back. Okay, so now the lashes are on. This is the final look. If you want to see how I got this makeup or what I did for this makeup, definitely check the channel. Subscribe if you are not already. Hit that like button if you like these videos. And yeah, other than that, leave me comments down below letting me know what other videos you want to see on my channel. And I hope you guys have a great day, great week, great weekend, great night, whatever day, whatever time it is. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.